Hello, I am Dr. Anil Dadich, Associate Professor in English, Government College Kekri. This is a lecture on short story, a literary term. Short story is a brief piece of prose narrative shorter than a short novel. It may range from approximately 500 words to approximately 7,500 words. Actually, a length of 500 words is the most common form for short story, and the stories exceeding 10,000 words may be designated as the short novel. There is frequently concentration on a single character involved in a single episode in short story. The climax may occur at the very end and need not involve a denouement. The background is also sketched slightly in short stories. In its characteristic, it is more restricted in characters and situations and is usually concerned with a single effect, unlike a novel. It does not aim at development of characters, for in a short story, a single aspect of personality undergoes a change or is shown as the result of conflict. If we look into the history of short story writings, it dates to antiquity. It was delivered in an oral tradition also in the earlier times, but it became widespread in the Renaissance period when short stories appeared as part of longer narratives, as in Don Quixote. In 18th century, it was used as a vehicle for moral lessons, as in Dr. Johnson's Rambler. It was not until the 19th century that it assumed its present form. Maupassant, G.D. Maupassant, was its greatest practitioner. His stories were imitated widely in England, America, and Russia also. American writer Edgar Allan Poe invented the thriller, detective, and supernatural stories. The writers like O. Henry practiced and developed the humorous side in short stories. The spread of magazines, which were read largely, made it the most popular and certainly the most financially profitable of all literary forms, too. Thank you. That's a brief introduction to short stories.